Who says you can't make money from your hobbies? Here are 12 pastimes you can monetize to generate extra income. 1. Blogging, share your knowledge and earn ad revenue. 2. Handmade crafts, sell items on Etsy or at craft fairs. 3. Photography, sell stock photos or offer your services locally. 4. Baking, take custom cake or cookie orders. 5. Jewelry making, create and sell beautiful customized pieces. 6. Woodworking, build and sell furnishings, decor items, cutting boards. 7. Video creation, produce explainer and marketing videos for businesses. 8. Graphic design, design logos, ads, merchandise for clients. 9. Knitting, sell scarves, hats, sweaters you knit online or locally. 10. Music, DJing, play paid gigs or produce tracks for sale. 11. Pet care, offer dog walking, pet sitting, training, or grooming. 12. Coding, build websites and mobile apps for clients. Conclusion: turn your hobby into a side business doing what you love most. With passion and hustle, you can generate solid income. Thanks for watching.